In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your screwdriver set so you can handle all those little home projects like a total pro. Screwdrivers are probably one of the most underrated tools in your kit, but if you know how to use them right, they make fixing stuff way easier and faster. First off, always pick the right head for the job, whether it's Phillips or flathead, because using the wrong one just strips screws and wastes your time. Keep your screwdriver heads clean and rust-free too. A little oil on metal parts helps them last longer and work smoother. When you're tightening screws, don't crank it too hard or you'll risk damaging the screw or the surface you're working on. If a screw is stuck, try applying some lubricant or tap around it gently with a hammer before forcing it. For those tiny screws on appliances or electronics, go slow and steady so you don't lose them or mess up the threads. And hey, when you're done, store your screwdriver set somewhere dry and organized so you can find the right tool next time without digging through a junk drawer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with screwdriver sets is using the wrong size or type of head, which leads to stripping screws or breaking the driver itself. Another common problem is applying too much force without proper grip. This just makes everything slip and can hurt your hands more than help. Lastly, people often ignore maintenance and storage, letting their tools get rusty or scattered everywhere, which makes them less reliable when you really need them. The easy fix? Match your screwdriver to the screw exactly, use steady pressure with a comfortable grip, and keep everything clean and stored properly after every use. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners can easily link up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making home repairs or upgrades way less stressful. It's also great for contractors who want to find real gigs nearby without wasting time hunting down clients. That way both sides win and get jobs done faster.